Hello students, from today onwards I am going to start the EOT, the review for your EOT of grade 11 advance and the course is 101C. Before going to start the review part, I want to thanks from my heart that for the teacher who has prepared this full EOT with solution. Actually, I received this from the group and but I checked all the things. These are very good. So that's why from the bottom of my heart, I want to specially thanks to that teacher who has prepared this. So now for my contribution, I'm going to explain you so that you can understand each and every step so you can do very good in your exams. Okay, so guys, let's start the journey from today onwards. So chapter 1, chapter 2, 3 and 4, these are the content which you need to focus, and there is a formula sheet which will be available with you in the during the exam also. Okay, so now before going to start the lesson number 1 or the topic number 1 or the question number 1, I'm going to tell you some basics that how you're going to solve the vectors and on which point you need to focus. So the first point, vectors. First thing, what is the meaning of vector? Let's say a vector. So can I write like this? A cap. So this is called your vector A. Vector A. This is called your magnitude. Magnitude means number. Okay. And this gives you direction. Till here clear? Okay, fine. Now guys, whenever you are going to solve the vectors, they are going to ask you two major things. They are going to ask you again and again, they are going to ask you magnitude and they are going to ask you the direction or angle. Now how to solve magnitude? There is a simple formula for that. A is equals to root of ax square plus ay square, and for direction theta is equals to tangent inverse y-axis, or you can say ay divided by ax. This is along x-axis. This is along x-axis, and theta is equals to tangent inverse ax over ay. This is along y-axis. Clear guys? So they are going to ask you these things along the x-axis, along the how to solve a vector. Let's say a vector is given in the question. A vector is given like this. So there are the two parts. This is called your initial part, initial, and this is your final. Okay, here are the coordinates x1, y1. Here are the coordinates x2, y2. So how to solve that? So you have to solve x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. These are your coordinates. Fine. Let's say take an example and we will solve it. So just take an example. There is a vector. Let's say there is a vector and make an arrow. So these are the points, here are the points, and take these points. So you have something here. Let's say this is point 2, this is point 5, this is point 3, this is point 9. So you have x1 equals to 2, x2 equals to 5, y1 equals to 3, y2 equals to 9. How to solve a vector? Vector A is equals to, I told you x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2, okay, which direction? X direction, plus 9 minus 3, which direction? Y cap. So what is the answer? 3x cap plus 6y cap. Clear guys? Fine. Okay, now very easy thing. I told you, you get the vector, so you can solve magnitude and you can solve the direction. How to solve magnitude? A equals ax square plus ay square, which is equals to root of 3 square plus 6 square. So which is 9 plus 36. So 36 plus 9, 46, 45, root 45. And how to find direction? Tangent inverse. Let's say theta equals tangent inverse ay over ax. So which is equals to tangent inverse 6 over 3. Okay, so you can just solve from your calculator. This is the method. Fine guys. Okay, now let's just start the question. So I'm going to explain you every question, and one solution is already available, and I'm going to explain you the things. Question number 1. A force has x component. Okay, this part also I want to add for you. This part I'm going to just share with you. Okay, let's add a page. Okay guys, other point, how to resolve a vector. How to resolve a vector. There is very easy way to resolve, and this will help you in other lessons also. So let's say there is a vector and here is angle theta. Another one, let's say you have x-axis, y-axis, and here is your theta. You need to check in which direction. So wherever is the angle theta, let's say this is the vector A. So always remember, this is your ax, this is your ay. Values along x-axis, values along y-axis. So what is the value of ax? This will be a cosine theta, cos theta. And there is no angle, a sine theta. Clear? Okay, just check. Where is the theta? So this is your ay, this is your ax. Is it fine? Okay, so what should be the ay? A cosine. Wherever is the theta, you will get the cosine. If there is no angle, a sine theta. Fine? Okay, now just let's move to the question. So we have the question number 1. So what is the question number 1? A force has x component. X component. Okay. So it means we have ax, or you can say f should be equals to fx x cap plus fy y cap. Is it fine? So what is the value of fx? Fx is 0.12 Newton. Okay. And a y component, fy is equals to 0.16 Newton. Clear? Find the magnitude and direction. Okay, for the magnitude I told you f should be equals to root of fx square plus fy square. Fine? So you can just check from here, fx square plus fy square. You can place the value and you will get the answer. Fine? Second thing, it is looking for direction. This is the first case. Second, for the direction, theta is equals to tangent inverse, what I told you, y-axis divided by x-axis. So just place the value fy over fx. You have fy, you have fx, and your angle is 53 degree. Is it fine? Okay, now question number 2. A displacement vector is lying in xy plane, has a magnitude of 50 meter, and is directed at an angle positive x-axis. What are the rectangular components of this vector? Guys, what you need to understand, angle is given. Okay, first thing you need to just draw, and the angle is given 120 degree. So you can find out here, let's say here it is given, and the total angle is 120 degree. My question is, it's along x-axis or y-axis? Yes, it is started from x, so it is along x-axis. So can I say rx, because the displacement is given, or you can say anything, rx is equals to r cosine theta. Theta is 120 degree. And what should be ry? R sine 120 degree. Is it fine? Yes or no? So when you solve rx, r cos 120, you will get negative 25 meter. When you solve ry, you will get 43 meter. So what you are looking for? You are looking for components. Components means, let's say A vector is equals to AX x cap plus ay y cap. So what you are looking for? You are looking for ax and ay. So you find rx, you already find ry. Is it fine? So this is for x-axis, this is for y-axis. Fine. Okay guys, now let's move to the question number 3. This one I like it. Let vector A is in the direction of 34-degree clockwise from negative y-axis. This is something very important student missed in the question. Let's say this is your x and this is your y. This is your y. Can I say this is your negative y? Fine. Okay. Second thing, clockwise. Okay. Can we draw like this? Okay, this is our circle. And what is the clockwise? Clockwise is like this. So if I start from negative y, this is negative y, so means the direction is this side. Fine. It means you have a vector here and which is making an angle of 34 degree. With whom? With the y-axis. Is that fine? Okay. Sure? Okay. AX is given. Okay guys, now as we know this is our A. So can I say angle theta is with y-axis? So can I say AY is equals to A cosine theta and this one is A sine of theta. And there is a very simple technique to solve. I told you to find the angle or to find the direction. I'll use that technique, direction. I told you theta is equals to tangent inverse AY over AX. Yes or no? This is along X. And theta equals tangent inverse AX over AY. This is along Y axis. Yes or no? So where is the angle right now? Yes, you said correctly. The angle is with Y axis. Theta is with Y axis. Yes or no? Okay, so which angle I will use? Theta equals tangent inverse AX over AY. Fine. Sure. Okay, so angle is already given 34. So can I use this like this? Tangent 34 degree. Take this side, tangent equals to AX over AY. Sure. Okay, what we are looking for? Y component of A. So AY is equals to AX over tangent 34 degree. AX is 16, negative 16. Negative 16 over tangent 34 degree. Find the value, negative 23.6 meter. Clear? Fine. Okay. Now, what is the magnitude of A? This is the easy one. Magnitude of A. Part 2. So, A, magnitude of A. So, can we say AX square plus AY square? So, what is your AX? AX is negative 16. So, negative 16 square plus negative 23.6 square. Solve this. So, you will get 28.6. Is it fine? So, it is given in meters. Yes. So, your answer is also in meter. So, till here, you finish question number 1. So guys, I will meet you soon with the question number 2 and we will just keep on going with the series. Okay. So till then, take care. Bye.